Hello my friends. I'm going to attempt to do an elegant pour with just black, gold, silver, and white. This is a 12 by 12 canvas. I'm using a pouring medium of Floetrol glue and water. And I'm going to use a cup this time to fill up with a nice pour spout. So I'm giving a lot of thought, I'll take that off so I don't dent that. Trying to give a lot of thought to how I layer the paint in the cup and what kind of effects I'll get. So I'm going to put a layer of black, good layer, and then a layer of gold, maybe some more. Then I'm going to do a side-by-side layer of white and silver. I've got the giant stick in the little cup, and I'll take that out of there. So, oh, and I want to pour them this way, so when they come out it'll be half silver and half white, I think, I hope. I have more white than silver, so I'm just going to pour all of the silver in, or pretty much all of it. I'll reserve a little bit just in case I need to do something else. And I'm going to pour a layer of gold and a layer of black. I've just started using this pouring medium. I'm a big fan of the polycrylic mix, but I came up with this or saw it, I don't know, and it's interesting, so I'm going to give it a shot. And now black. I'm all out of the polycrylic mix. It is my favorite, but I'm all out, and I'm going out of town for a couple of weeks, and so I didn't want to mix up a big batch and have it sit for that long. Okay, well, I'll save that as well. Okay, that's plenty paint for this 12 by 12. Okay. Pretty much planning to do just a straight pour. And here we go. Look at that, a big black dot. Come on now, here comes something. Oh, and I added some satin enamel to the white. I forgot to mention that. That should give some kind of effect. As you can see, I'm rotating the cup. Bring it up higher as I get to the end here. I don't know why, but I am. really thought I'd get a darker center. I had a pretty good layer of black in the bottom, but by the time it gets to the bottom of the cup, end of the pour rather, it's blended. Okay. All right. Whoa. I'm disappointed I don't have more black in the center. But as I stretch, it may make more of an appearance. I'd like to have some negative space there, I think. That's a lot of silver. What do I have left? I have some, mostly silver and white. And the cup is very little. I wonder if that was all black. This was black. You know what? I'm going to, I need black. I'm going to pause. I'm going to mix some more black and try something. Hold on. Okay, I have returned. I've mixed more black, and I just need more contrast. It's too much of this silver, and it's kind of washed out. So I'm going to do something bold here. Yeah, I'm gonna go along. This is what I'm gonna do. That. All right, now it's over here and here. And I think I'll just run it off there. Perhaps I can always add, as you see. Okay. Move that around a little bit to settle it in. Get those other bits I added. Okay, now what to do with this corner? What to do? Do I want it black? I don't think I want 4 black corners. I'm going to stretch this out this way. Yeah, I like that better. I turn it different orientations. I think I like it this way, the way it's facing you with this at the bottom. What do you think? Did that help? I think it did. I could have waited till it dried and painted it in, but this way it really settles in and becomes more part of the design. Yeah, it started getting some weird cells here. I'm just gonna, do I have any left? Cover that up. I may have not had it mixed really well with the Floetrol. Okay, I'll come back when it's dry and touch up the edges where necessary, but there. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. Well, folks, as often is the case, after I stop filming, I get another idea or I mess with it or something, and what I did was add, I didn't care for the center, so I just took what was left in the cup and I poured it into that one little spot, and I don't know, now my eye is drawn there, which I don't particularly want. But then I had an idea to add just a pop of color. So I mixed some Extreme Sheen Sapphire, just a little bit, and I'm going to run one line, one thin blue line of color. And keep my fingers crossed. Here we go. There. That's all I'm doing. I think that added an element of, wow, that's different. I like it. I have to like it because I did it. So I don't have to show you this part of the video, but I just think it's fun to experiment, and you know, the lesson here is to never be afraid to just do something out of the box. It's only paint, it's only a canvas, and you might be happily surprised. So there we go. Now I'm really signing off. Done with this one. Thank you. Bye-bye.